Okay, now you can check the contents are available in home directory or not. There is fmw and jdk is there. Now you have to create one directory structure for install a Weblogic server and store jdk, and after that you have to set a environment variables for jdk. For that purpose I can create a directory in root section. Why I am using p means I can create subdirectories also. That's why I can give any name. You can give any name, app, oracle, middle. Okay, now enter, give password. After that I have to queue user permissions for that root file system, root directory. Otherwise you cannot access or that file for a user. For this you have to use chown, change the ownership, and r means recursively, and give username and group name. Why? Because you have to find out u03 and the ownership will be oracle and group will be oracle1. Okay, next you have to give read and write execution permissions. For this you have to use chmod to give user read and write permissions. 775 means one, this 7 is for users and this 7 is for uh, group, and this 5 is for others, any one of that, any one of the user. Here user have a read write execution, and here group also has same permissions, and others only have read and execution permission will be there for this folder. Okay, you have to check it. ls ltr u03, there is a, see